morning to all of you. Myself, Dr. Shrinkla Srivastava from Department of Humanities and Applied Sciences, School of Management Sciences, Lucknow. Now I am going to talk about renewable energy resources. Now first of all, what are renewable energy resources? Renewable energy resources are the natural sources of energy which are derived from water, sunlight, wind, etc. Unlike fossil fuels, they cannot be depleted because these are derived from natural resources. And furthermore, these are clean sources of energy, that is, they do not cause any kind of atmospheric pollution, unlike fossil fuels. These are also known as alternative sources of energy and are capturing the global market very fast. Now, in this slide, I am going to tell you about the types of renewable energy resources. The first one is the solar energy, which is derived from sunlight using solar panels. Next one is the wind energy, which is derived from wind using windmills. Then the next one is the hydroelectric power, which is derived from the water flow in rivers, dams and ocean tides using turbine blades. Then next is the geothermal energy, which is derived from lava, magma, hot water geysers inside the Earth's crust. And then next is the biomass energy, which is derived from living plants and other organisms. Now in the next video, next slide, I am going to share a small footage from National Geographic Channel telling about the benefits of renewable energy resources. So, renewable energy resources has many benefits. First, it combats with climate change because it produces negligible emission of greenhouse gases. Then, the next is that it can decrease pollution because as we all know that it is a clean source of energy and does not cause any kind of pollution as compared to those of fossil fuels. Then these are reliable sources of power because we all know that a large amount of power is generated in gigawatts using windmills, solar panels, hydroelectric power, etc., which can be used in several government projects at a very reasonable cost. So, these were the benefits of renewable energy resources. Now, in the next slide, this is a comparative analysis of the electricity grid and the natural gas obtained from fossil fuels, which provides supply to households, and these are the supply of electricity and heat energy from windmills and solar panels, that is renewable energy resources. What has been observed is that they show a very comparative kind of installation cost. But since the renewable energy resources are clean sources of energy, so their cost becomes actually cost effective. But it has certain downsides also. First is the small scale power supply as compared to that of the fossil fuels. It is because these renewable energy resources are dependent on climate. For example, solar panels depend upon sunlight totally for production of energy. If the weather is cloudy or rainy, these solar panels are not able to function properly. Similarly, windmills also depend upon wind flow, and if the weather is rainy, then these windmills also cannot function properly. The other downsides is the disruption of ecosystem. We see that these windmills, when they are installed in hilly areas especially, they cause a large threat to flying birds, resulting in their migration. Similarly, the dams, the change of current flow inside the dams and the working of turbine blades also disturb the underwater ecosystem. So, every experiment has certain pros and cons. Renewable energy resources are facing several challenges, but still we should be thankful to our Mother Nature that it has given us such a general renewable sources of energy which need to be harnessed so that they can supply us energy in the time of need. Thank you.